Hi guys, parto tayo guys. Yan. Dito naman ako guys sa second stopover namin guys. Masyad Mall. Yan kayo yung Masyad Mall guys yan. Nandun ba na yung pinakadulong building guys yan ng Masyad Mall. Ito mga ano yan, hotel na ano. Resetahan. Yan guys, as usual guys, pag Saturday dami naglalaro ng cricket dito guys, yung mga Indiano guys, ano, cricket yung ano nila guys, laro. Ayan. Ano, dami nila guys, parang yung cricket guys parang baseball, pero yung sa kanila iba, pasagiin mo na sa lupa bago pagtalon, bago paluin. Sa atin kasi pag baseball diretso na hindi na isagi sa lupa eh. Yan o, ano. Tapos may ano rin sila, may home base din, dalawa lang ang baseball, 4. Ganon din yung kategory, parang saluin ang bola, ganon. Yan o. Yan, sasakyan nila. Yan yung Masyad Mall doon, yung dulo. Yan ang Masyad. Medyo malapit sila guys kasi naka-zoom yan sila guys, ano. Pero pag hindi mo i-zoom yan, malayo yan. Maliit masyado guys. I-zoom ko lang para makita nyo guys paano paluin yung bola yan. Dito. Kaya guys, wala. Yan. Mga Indiano yan guys, kahit sobrang ng init, grabe, hindi na sila natatakot. Yan, to all my Indian friends, yeah, I give you a video, your kabayan playing cricket, near in Masyad Mall. Shout out to all my friends, banana groups from India, yan, Sai, Silva, Sikar, Krishna, Prasad, yan. Shout out to all of you guys, Continue watching our video, yan. That is your kabayan playing cricket. I think 3 groups, 2 from there and 1 from this side, yeah. See? I give zoom so that you can see nearly, yeah, see. Okay, yeah. This side, yeah. But if not shown guys, is very far. Look, very small. Seem like nothing. Eh? You cannot see. Zoom again, 1 time. Ganyan sila guys pag di off, Sabado, Linggo, naglalaro yun sila ng cricket guys. Tayo naman guys, pag may time guys, bike lang, ganun guys, bike. Papawis ng konti, at least ba mayroon isang linggo okay na guys, kaysa lagi ka lang talaga sa kwarto mo, baka hilata. Okay guys, relax muna ako saglit. Bye bye.